How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today I'm going to show you guys how you can get yourself a UK IP address. Now, I'm assuming you're trying to unblock some kind of UK service, be it a streaming service or a website or a TV channel or whatever it is. You'll be able to do that with these 3 VPNs, which is why I have them lined up right here. You know, if you're looking for something that's more of a plug and play, very easy to use, premium VPN, you'll find that with ExpressVPN. If you're looking for something with more features, more focused on performance, you'll get that with NordVPN. It's a little bit cheaper. If you're looking for the best budget VPN that gets the job done at the cheapest possible cost, you'll find that with Surfshark. So, you know, I've got 3 options right here for you. If you guys are interested, I've got these 3 options right here for you. If you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about these VPNs. Okay, so let's get straight into it. How do you get a VPN? How do you get a UK IP address? Now, as you can tell here, I was connected to the Dallas, Texas server on ExpressVPN, and that's why my IP finder shows that I'm there. Now, if you're trying to unblock, if you're trying to get a UK IP address, it's as simple as going to locations, go here to close Americas, let's go to Europe, okay, the UK, and there we go. We have these 4 locations. These are not servers, these are simply locations. Okay, so let's just go with London and see what happens. Now I can just click and turn on the VPN or just double click the server and we'll be connecting in no time. And that's as simple, it really is as simple as that when it comes to connecting to a UK IP address or whatever other IP address that you're looking for. You have over 3,000 servers in 94 countries with ExpressVPN. And now I'm in London. You know, whatever I want to do, I want to access BBC iPlayer, whatever it is, I'll be able to do that with this very reliable VPN, okay? So with regards to the other VPNs, it's also as simple as just, you know, zooming in and picking the correct server. So you want a UK server, just you have 4 locations as well here. So, you know, you pick one of these and it'll connect you to one of the available servers. Again, with ExpressVPN, I've got over 3,000 servers in 94 countries. With NordVPN, you'll be getting over 5,400 servers in 60 countries and over 3,200 servers in 65 countries with Surfshark. You'll be able to secure up to 5 devices per subscription with Express, 6 with Nord, and an unlimited number with Surfshark. So it's very convenient if you want to share your account with as many friends and family members as you'd like. All right, so I'm not going to get in too much detail with regards to the features of these VPNs. Again, you'll find all the details you need to know with regards to the privacy policy, speed streaming, torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features in the full reviews below. I'm just going to be talking about the basic features that we have here, which is a kill switch and split tunneling. Both features are also available in NordVPN and Surfshark. So what the kill switch will do is make sure they're only going to be connected to the internet while you're secured by the VPN. So if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly or you disconnected, you will get cut off from the internet. The split tunneling feature will allow you to choose which applications are routed to the VPN and which are not. So let's say you're trying to unblock BBC iPlayer and you're using Google Chrome for that. You can only have Google Chrome use the VPN while the rest of your connection is left untouched by the VPN tunnel, which is a very useful feature. And you can do vice versa, of course, where you can have the entire connection use the VPN, except for Google Chrome or your torrenting client or whatever other application you decide to add, okay? So it's a very useful feature, okay? You have a handful of protocols. You can go with automatic. I like lightweight UDP because it's the fastest one, okay? And of course, if you don't like the premium pricing of ExpressVPN, maybe, you know, you don't need up to 94 countries and you're good with 60 countries, but you get more servers, slightly cheaper pricing, slightly faster speeds as well, very high performance, and all these bonus features. You'll find everything you need with NordVPN. You know, the NordLynx protocol is definitely the one you want to be using. It's the fastest one. You get an ad blocker. With the kill switch, you have the conventional kill switch, just like ExpressVPN, but also an app kill switch, which will close selected apps when you disconnect from the VPN or the connection drops unexpectedly rather than disconnecting your entire connection. You have split tunneling, and in advanced, you have custom DNS, which is an easy way to change your DNS and obfuscated servers if you're in a censorship-heavy country and the regular servers aren't working for you. Now, if you're looking for the cheapest VPN that gets the job done at the cheapest possible cost, get Surfshark. You still get plenty of bonus features, such as these specialty servers. You also get an ad blocker. You'll be able to secure an unlimited number of devices, so you can just keep sharing this same account with all the people that you know. You have the kill switch as well as bypasser, which is the same as split tunneling, and a handful of protocols. Just stick with WireGuard if you want the fastest connection, and a couple of features that'll help you if you're in a censorship heavy country. So that's it for these VPNs. All these VPNs are backed up by a 30-day money-back guarantee. No matter which plan you go for, you'll be able to claim the refund, and they do have 24/7 live chat support to help you with the refund or any other question you might be having. So that'll be it for this video. Again, links to pricing discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about these VPNs. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.